Right off the top, I just want to say you are an adult and you make your decisions. Simple. So, coming to today's topic, as you might have seen in the title, that it's about consumption. So, what is consumption? So, consumption is basically intake of any substance which gives you immense pleasure. Like ये बहुत ज़्यादा सिंप्लीफाइड वर्ड में और काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से बोला गया है बट या बेसिकली यू आर कंज्यूमिंग समथिंग विच गिव्स यू प्लेजर basically it like you are addicted to something because it gives you something, right? So this gives you instant pleasure. So like I will not say that it is bad to try. Even like you can try whatever you like it's your life and life is all about trying new things. Because and one more reason, if you like restrict yourself from doing anything completely, like 100% you will not do this thing ever, then definitely there will be some times that your brain will go to the other direction and it will definitely try to like achieve that whatever you're stopping from, whatever you are like restricting yourself, your brain will definitely, and fate also. The kismat is so like peculiar that it will definitely put you in situations where you have to make a decision and you will be in a tough spot to take one. So don't restrict yourself. I'm not saying restrict, just try it out. But remember one thing, that if you are intaking some stuff or anything which is making you its slave, then that is wrong. Because if that thing is missing from your life and you're not living a normal life, that is an issue because you're dependent on that, and that is not right because it will be stressful for your body as well as your mind, and you will not be in a good place because of that thing, and if it is missing from your life. So don't become that, and to not become that you have to follow certain things, like whatever I feel like. And one special thing, like if you are consuming, and to all the people who have said this to me, that and I quote, that अगर तुम ये चीज़ नहीं ले रहे हो, then you're not living your life to its full potential. I'm like, come on guys, really? Like अगर मैं ये चीज़ नहीं ले रहा हूँ, then I'm missing out on something. I might be, but this is not everything, right? Not everyone attempts everything in their life. That does not mean they are not living their life to full potential. And this stuff especially, like you are your own like reason for your happiness. Like you are the person who is happy, you are the person who is angry, you are the person who is sad. It's not about a substance, it's about you. So if you are trying things based upon that, you will try different things and you will feel different emotions, that is fine. But if you are like addicted and becomes a slave of something, then that is definitely wrong. So please avoid this. And if you feel the need to like get it one more time, then my friend, you're on the path of becoming an addict of that substance. Sooner or later you will be. So if this thing is happening to you right now, please please look into this. Please restrict yourself somehow, like whatever suits you well, do that. But don't fall into this trap, because to get in is very easy, but to getting out of it is really difficult. And I know my self control, that I have zero self control on many things. If I like something, it's really hard for me to not look into it or get it. So that's why I restrict myself. I know my boundaries. So find your boundaries and go through it and see for yourself what is right and what is wrong. Don't restrict yourself, but don't fall into this trap of being addicted to someone. Remember, you are the reason for your happiness, not the substance. The substance is removing the bad things which you like have in your life, like stress, anxiety, fear or any sadness, the substance is removing those thoughts from your mind, and that is how you are happy. So that substance is not doing anything. You can do this through different means. You just had to remove this thought and you will achieve the same state. So don't fall into this trap of, if you have not tried this, you are not living your life at full potential, and you will not be as happy. You should try this, it will remove your stress. No, it will not. If you want to try this, just try it for the sake of it, not for any thing which will be come out of it or whatever. Like, you understand my point, right? So just try it out. If you don't want to try, don't get into this peer pressure that everybody is trying, it's cool. It's not cool. Basically, it is not cool to take any substance just because it's in pop culture and everybody is doing it. Don't get into that peer pressure, because you will find most of the people who will influence indirectly, like this peer pressure, like everybody is doing and whatever. There is a Friends episode also where Rachel is also falls to this trap only because she felt left out, because everybody is like goes to this smoking area and discuss, and she did not smoke, so that's why she is not the part of it. Don't be that guy or girl. If you feel left out, you will find someone or some company who is like not taking substance. So find your people, or even if you can't find, don't get into this peer pressure. So this rant was too long. So basically, like, it is not good, yaar. You also know it can give you happiness, but it is not thing which is good for you if you consume it for a long time. So it will not. It's like instant pleasure. Like, it will give you pleasure for some times, but it will give you stress and bad things and bad experiences and bad memories for your lifetime. So be smart. You are an adult for a reason. So be smart, make your right decisions, and then move in your life. So that's it. I'm done with, like, whatever is in my mind. I have just said it out loud to you all. So, like, these are my thoughts. You might be feeling something different. There might be like difference of opinions. You might feel some different way. So YouTube has given us a comment section. You can write down your comments, whatever you feel like. Nothing is wrong. We can discuss it out and we can come to a conclusion. And even if we don't come to a conclusion, that is also fine. That is called a difference of opinions, so that is also fine. So just comment your thoughts and whatever you feel like. If you support me, if you have something else to say, just please feel free to comment down below, and like this video, probably share it, because this is a good topic, because I've seen like this thing happens around me. So it will help many people and it can save people also. So share this video and do subscribe to my channel, because I will make certain videos and such videos like this one. So this, if you like this video, then you can like subscribe. That this will help me out. So that's it.